How to log into Equity Bank online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Equity Bank online. For that, you want to open up any web browser. Now, you want to search for Equity Bank. Out of the search results, you want to tap on the very first option, which is equitybank.com. Once you get on this web page, you want to tap on the login option for personal banking. Now, on the login portal, you will have to enter some details. Go ahead and tap on the first box. Here, you want to enter your login ID. After that, tap on the second box and enter your password. If you want your details to be remembered, you want to check the box that says Remember Me. Now, you want to tap on the login option. If all the details entered by you are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Your Password option. Then you will have to enter your login ID. Tap on the Submit button after that. Follow the on-screen prompts and you will be able to reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.